guys, so I'm currently here in 7-Eleven to buy some food with my sister. Say hello. Okay, so we will get some food for our mukbang. Okay, so what should we get first? Let's get hot dog first. Next will be siopaw. Yeah, bulalo na lang. Bulalo. Oh, why are you looking at there? That's not allowed for you. Oh, hala, hindi. That's not allowed. Now, I'm gonna get some donut. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Peach mango. Perfect. I love peach mango. This is my baby. So we're back in the car with a lot of stuff. Sorry, I'm medyo pale kasi I did not finish my makeup. Sorry. We will now go home. So see you later, guys. Bye! And thank you, Papa Joe, for bringing us out again. Our driver and road manager. So we're back in the house with the foods that we bought. Let's introduce them one by one.
So this is Lucky Me Bulalo, a sandwich from 7-Eleven, a breakfast meal which is beef tapa,
Beef tapa.
and lasagna, and sisig.
Oh, she said lasagna.
Lasagna.
Okay, can you chill? I will do it. According to her, this is Lucky Me Bulalo. But it's not just Lucky Me Bulalo. It's not a bulalo. It's a cup noodle. Next will be the 7-Eleven kani salad. I think it has a crab stick and Japanese mayo together inside. Sisig and hot dog. And siopaw, asado. Mr. Donuts, strawberry and... Ano to?
choco
뭐죠? 왜 ano to?
버터인가? 무슨 버터 뭐식인데?
choco butter.
Yeah, donut. And we also got this lasagna. Breakfast meal. It's not breakfast, but we just wanted to try it. So we got this beef tapa. And of course, when it comes to 7-Eleven, we should always get Slurpees. I got peach mango and you got
Watermelon and apple.
watermelon sugar. Oh.
Stop singing.
So before we eat, we will just microwave them. Let's go.
이건 몇 분이야?
Did someone eat the donut in the middle? No. Why the fuck is it empty? Why the fuck did the donut separate into 2 pieces like that? Confess your sin, Ate Riz.
I couldn't handle myself a while ago, so I hit the part where it's not showing.
Oh my gosh. Donut, eat the donut.
Ew!
I love my joke.
That's the worst joke ever.
So it's actually my first time trying this 7-Eleven meals, so I'm very excited. I don't know why I haven't tried these meals in 7-Eleven, but I ate a lot of hot dog and siopaw when
Maybe
I
it's
was in high
because-
school.
Maybe this is, you're not eating this because it's in the corner always.
I actually did not know they even have a lasagna like that.
Anyways, let's dress the hot dog.
Huh? Hot dog. It's time of the focusing. Ooh. Hmm?
Mine looks very
Neat. This is my hot dog. Okay, cheers. Let's taste it.
You ate half of it with one bite.
Mmm. It's a very big bite. Have a big mouth. It reminds me of my high school days. When classes are over, Ate Grace and me, we went to 7-Eleven. I think my allowance that time was 100 pesos.
wow, very rich.
It's not per day, huh?
Not per day?
Yeah, it's per
I
week.
thought 50 per day.
Because you're the third child, you're the last child, so... You know what? Grace and I, like, we had super little allowance. So we had to, like, make sure that the budget is exact.
Oy, I had daming utang eh.
Yeah, and we always had utang in canteen of school, right?
So ates were always like, where's Grace? She has to pay utang. And I was running away.
Now, let's taste Lucky Me Noodle. It's a unique flavor. We can't taste this in Korea kasi bulalo is Filipino food. Right? There's a Filipino show named Bulalo.
I just know eat bulaga.
Yeah. Eat bulaga. Eat bulalo.
Anong bulalo?
Eat bulalo. It makes sense kaya. It looks like this. Mm. It's so good. You know, Koreans are noodle lovers. And I could say that Lucky Me Bulalo cup noodle is the best cup noodle I ever tasted in the Philippines. Because the soup is really good, no? It's like there's something special in it. You can taste this kind of noodle in Korea. Okay.
Because Korea, it's famous for spicy noodles.
And of course, after eating all the noodle, I always put cold rice inside and chop and then with kimchi. Okay, I wanna taste lasagna.
I didn't even.
It looks like this inside. Let's taste it.
It's my first time trying a lasagna.
Really?
Yeah.
Grace loves the lasagna in Greenwich. It's good, but it's not that good. You know what I mean? But I think it's excellent for their price because it's really affordable. I think it's around how much?
55.
55?
55?
55 pesos lang? Oh my gosh!
I thought it was going to cost 100.
Yeah, same. Then it's really cheap. Okay, let's try with breadstick. With bulalo soup.
Lasagna and bulalo.
Lasagna and bulalo. But to be honest, I would buy this, right? Would you buy it if you have money? Last bite of my hot dog.
I want to have some more bulalo.
Okay, now let's taste sisig. Sisig is one of my favorite Filipino food, but I am not actually expecting a lot from this sisig. But you know, let's try. Okay, we'll give this to Grace because she got super mad for not buying her food. She was literally mad a while ago, like, why don't you even think about my food? Okay, let's taste the sisig. Okay, I don't see any meat. It's like grinded sisig.
not that bad.
Because you know I'm the master of sisig. I tried like all the sisig.
It's spicy.
괜찮네. 이게 좀 싱겁다.
And I wish it was more sour.
It's too bland, guys. And it lacks flavor. How much is that? I think it's also 50 pesos.
I don't think so. Maybe cheaper. It's just guess. Quiz
35.
time.
35?
Down.
30 pesos.
Down.
25.
Up.
28.
Up.
29?
Yes.
This is 29 pesos?
Yeah.
That's really affordable. So let's say this is my lunch every day. I'm just gonna spend like around 100 pesos in 1 week. That's amazing.
But can you eat that every day?
No. But I would buy NB when she goes to high
You
school.
buy me?
Yeah, this will be your lunch every day with lasagna. Okay, let's eat the siopao because Grace likes siopao. We got asado siopao. I wanted to get bola bola.
But I persuade her to get.
Yeah, asado.
Why? I like bola bola.
Bola bola.
Oh, by the way, guys, I have kwento about siopao. So during my high school days, they sold this siopao in our school canteen. And we had like less 100 students in our school. So they had like limited stocks for siopao. And especially, limited edition for bola bola. So only the cool kids could eat the bola bola. You know what I mean? So Ate Grace and I was part of the cool kids. So we always got the bola bola.
What is special about bola bola?
I don't know. It was just limited edition there.
Yeah. Maybe we just got sick and tired of asado already.
And now if I see bola bola, I want to vomit because I ate every day when I was in high school.
I think
Let's take a bite together on the side. Me on the right, you
no,
on the
I
left.
don't. Just eat.
Are you sure?
Don't you dare eat all of it. Oh my goodness, she's like a pig. Uy. She finished like the half of it.
Yeah, that looks like a cat.
To be honest, our school canteen has better siopao. This is not the siopao I used to eat. It tastes different. I don't know, I'm just kind of disappointed. And there's nothing to chew inside.
It's decaying from our mouth.
Decay?
그걸 녹는다라고 어떻게 말하지?
Decay is 썩었다. It's decaying from your mouth, the siopao? How? There's this certain smell when you eat asado. I think it's like the Chinese medicine smell. I don't really like it. Grace, you can have it. Okay, time to taste this one. I've been wondering how this tastes like. Why? You don't like it?
It has a medicine scent.
I know, right? I told you. It smells like Chinese medicine. 오, 이게 하나가 아니라 두 개이네.
I know.
오, 이거 내가 좋아하는 맛이야. 이 crab stick. There's a crab stick inside with cucumber. This is like one of my favorite sandwich. But I did not know they sell this in 7-Eleven. Cheers. Okay, how about we eat like that? Like a lover. No, it should be like that. You feed yourself like that. It's really good. There's so much crab stick inside. And I love cucumber. Okay. Let's set this aside. I love beef tapa of Rodix. Do you know Rodix, guys? And their sisig is so good. My favorite ever.
This is expectation versus reality.
But it's not that bad. I mean, the egg is also like whole egg.
Yes.
Okay, let's taste it.
It's my first time having a tapa something.
It's garlic rice. I love garlic rice.
It's very sweet.
The beef tapa. It's supposed to be sweet. This is the best meal for me. Like out of all the three, this is the best. It's super good and I love the garlic rice. But this is 65 pesos. Kaya it's more quality food. I would buy this if I'm outside to save money.
I think I know why they gave us like 5 minutes. Because Filipinos, they chop it while they eat. I don't really like the beef tapa. I personally like the sisig more.
Really? Okay, you eat that sisig. You know that in Korean convenience store, there's so many delicious food, but it's very expensive. Like the meals became super expensive. I think the ordinary range is around 150 pesos. Yeah, it's around
But
like that.
it's a high quality than this.
We will insert the sample picture here so that you can see it. It's called 도시락.
So this is our dessert. The strawberry donut and the choco donut. So let's try it. Why are you not eating it?
Because I eat too much. I can't eat the donut. Do not do this, Christy. Okay, let's taste it.
다 먹지 마.
So we finished all the food. And what was the best food for you, MB?
It was the bulalo.
The cup noodle?
Yes.
Personally, I love the beef tapa. I did not expect it to be super good like this. With the affordable price, I am glad that I can buy this kind of meals in the Philippines. And the foods I bought today is around 30 pesos to 65 pesos. So it's really cheap. It's good for students who want to save money and for the workers who want affordable food. Overall, it was really good. Oh, by the way, guys, I will be having a Q&A video soon since I reached 10K. And I will tell you all the things you have been wondering about me. So be sure to comment down your questions. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed and see you in my next video, guys. Bye!